Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you want to embed PDF into your Google sites, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to your Google Drive and make sure that you have add PDF that you want to add to your Google site. So make sure that you have uploaded it. Now you can just copy this, share this link here, tap on share, this share icon here, and make sure that you have set it to anyone with link here. Make sure that you set it and set it to viewer, and then you can just copy the link. After that, you can just go to your Google site, and then you can, this is my Google site actually. Now you can just go to the page, and let me create a new page here, like blog, and I have created a page here. So I'm on blog night right now, so I'm going to add that page, or add that PDF in this section. So tap on embed here, embed icon, and just like we just copy that URL here, that copy link. That's when we have just copy a URL, so we don't need to go to embed code. The URL section is enough to embed a PDF on a page of your Google sites. So I'm going to paste it here. So here you can see the preview of that PDF. Now you can just tap on insert button here. Now you can just place it according to your needs here. Now you can just increase the size of that. Here I'm going to increase the size. Now I'm going to create it to full size here. So it is now loading, so let it load, and I'm going to give the full screen. Here it is, the full screen. So the full screen blog it is. So anyone can just read that by this PDF section, where they can just get the blog post from here. So it's pretty simple. So that's how you can just easily embed PDF. But don't forget to click on this publish button here and publish your latest created web page, or save the changes that you have made here. Now let's check, let's test the process if it's perfectly embedded or not. Here you can see it has perfectly embedded here. So all the page has been embedded in this section, so anyone can just read this article from here easily. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.